If you need to reopen a closed Bank of America account, follow these straightforward steps to guide you through the process. Ensure you have all necessary information ready before starting. Step 1. Gather required information. Collect your personal information, including your social security number, account number if available, and any identification documents. This will help streamline the process when you contact the bank. Step 2. Contact customer service. Call Bank of America's customer service at the number provided on their website or your previous bank statements. Explain that you wish to reopen your closed account and provide them with the necessary information you gathered. Step 3. Verify your identity. Be prepared to answer security questions to verify your identity. This may include confirming recent transactions, providing your date of birth, or answering questions about your account history. Step 4. Follow bank instructions. Listen carefully to the representative's instructions. They may guide you through the reopening process, which could involve filling out forms or providing additional documentation. Step 5. Confirm account status. Once the process is complete, ask the representative to confirm that your account has been successfully reopened. It is also a good idea to check your online banking to ensure everything is in order. In conclusion, reopening a closed Bank of America account is a manageable process if you follow these steps and have the required information ready. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer service for further assistance.